Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by English Phrases and Idioms Online. Mundane. Mundane. Something that is mundane is very ordinary and uninteresting. Something not unusual or commonplace, or something routine and not very exciting or dull. Something unremarkable, or something workaday and humdrum. Also, mundane can describe things that are of this earthly world rather than a heavenly or spiritual one. In other words, something relating to the world and worldly matters. Examples of how to use mundane in a sentence. It's hard returning to my mundane life after spending time on the ocean. Even the most mundane artifacts are useful and intriguing to archaeologists. I don't concern myself with mundane matters, only spiritual ones. My life is just so mundane. I need a new interest, something exciting and absorbing. Sure, my job is mundane and repetitive, but it's a paycheck and I have lots of time to think. Archival work can become very monotonous and mundane, but every now and again, something extraordinary appears. After being stuck in bed for weeks, even mundane tasks like dishwashing were a treat.